Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a semi-casual look with like a darker lipstick. I'm going to be using my Hello Charmer palette. My cat is trying to get in the video. So I'm going to start off with this color Spoiler over here. It's this like creamy color. I'm going kind of dark for kind of a really warm kind of casual look. I'm going to start in the inner corner of my eye and go upward onto my lid. I'm going to go about halfway so I can use this. I'm going to blend, because I'm going to be blending these all together. I'm always blending colors together. I'm going to do the same thing on the other lid. So now I'm going to take this color Pop Up and I'm going to apply it to my inner corners for a little highlight. And down onto my bottom lid a little bit as well. Again, corner for a little highlight. Down onto my bottom lid a little bit. Try not to poke myself in the eye. And I'm going to blend that a little bit, just for a smoother transition. And I'm also taking, these colors are very blendable, so I'm taking the color from above as well and blending that down into the bottom. Next, I'm going to take this reddish color, Unboxing. I'm going to put that in the center of my lid. And then I'm going to drag it to the outside as well. Just that weird sound was my cat talking to probably the neighbor cat outside. Very vocal kitties. I'm just going to blend this. I'm blending it all the way throughout. And a little bit of fallout. So then it's all over the entirety of my lid with that fun red color. Again, very warm. Semi-casual being it's casual for me. It may not be casual for other people. I'm going to do the same thing to the other lid. So what I'm doing now is bringing this warm, really warm color. I did not quite realize how red this was until I put it on my eyes. But I like it. So I'm bringing it down onto my lower lid and kind of blending it down in with the highlight color. And I'm blending this side a little bit more. Just really getting it blended. And then next, I'm going to go in with my favorite color from this palette. It is called Cup of Joe. It's this color right here. Nice, really warm brown color. I'm applying that to the outer edge, making a nice kind of sharp line. I like this kind of dramatic outer edges. And I'm also bringing it down onto my lower lid. And now I'm bringing this into my crease. I always love the darker colors. I do this every time, but I love putting darker colors in the crease. I'm bringing it across the rest of my lid, about halfway. Keep that really pretty red color that I mixed in with that like golden cream color. Bring it about halfway, a little bit past halfway. Really what I'm doing at this point, when I'm going past the halfway, is just blending it out, blending it all out together. So I get that nice kind of soft transition, really smooth. Blending out the crease for really smooth transition. I'm going to bring this down, back down onto my lid, my lower lid, blending it all out together on the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So to get this kind of sharp over here, this kind of sharp shadow line, I'm following where my lower lid meets my upper lid. I'm just extending that towards my eyebrow. Then I'm taking from that corner and sweeping it across to meet the crease. And just sweeping it into the crease. I'm going to fill that in a little bit. Define it a little bit more. Sharpen it up, smooth it out. And then I'm bringing it into my crease, really defining that crease. And then again, I'm going about halfway onto my lid. Maybe a little bit past halfway. And then blending it out, blending it all out. Making sure I've got this nice even layer, and then I'm going to bring it down my lower lash line again and blend it all out together. Blend a little bit more on this side, making sure I have an even color. Then I'm also on the right side going to be blending my crease, which it might be the left side for you guys, because I think it's mirrored. Where's the right side? No, it'll be the right side for you guys because it's mirrored. Apparently I forgot how a mirror works briefly. So now that that's blended out, I'm going to go ahead and grab my liner. So I have my Skone Insanely Intense Tattooed waterproof liner in jet black. I'm going to get a nice sharp line here. I'm going to start at this little corner I created and sweep down from it onto my upper lash line and just getting closer as I go towards the inside. Using the very tip of that felt tip liner to get a nice close sharp line at the end. I'm going to bring it down. Again, just get a nice smooth thick line. Bring it down to my lower lash line. Just a little bit. And then filling in that area along my lash line. Nice, smooth, sharp line. Bringing it down onto my lower lash line just a little bit, not very far. Just for a nice, pretty transition. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, starting at this pretty little corner I've created. And bringing it down to my lash line. Just sweeping it down. Getting closer as I go, and then using that felt tip for a sharp line in the inner corner. Bringing it down to my lower lash line, just a little bit. I went a little farther on that one. I'll fix it on the other side. Make it even. I'm going to fill in. Try not to poke yourself in the eye with your eyeliner. And then I've got a much more dramatic wing on this side, so I'm going to adjust on this side, bring it down further, and don't be afraid to adjust your eyeliner to make sure it matches on both sides. I find myself doing that almost every time. Just adjusting to make sure that I got what I wanted, what I was going for. So I've got my eyeliner matching. I'm going to move on to lipstick. I think I got a Mary Kay lipstick here. I'm not sure which one, but it's called Confidence. Really pretty dark, like dark black cherry color. I'm going to apply this, which just wound up being more of a plum colored. Looks like a black cherry when you look at it, but it wound up being a more plum colored lipstick. So that is the completed look. Very warm, kind of casual, maybe pinup style makeup with the lighter eyes, darker lipstick. I will put in the description below what I used, and then I will link when I put up my Hello Charmer palette review. I will also edit the description to link that below if you guys wanted to see my full thoughts on what I thought about this palette. I'm putting out videos every week. If you guys subscribe and set your settings to get notifications, then you get a notification every time I post a video. Sometimes I'm doing multiple videos a week. So if you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, and I'll see you next time.